Oh wow, look at that. The sun's reflection. Nice. Gonna miss this view. Nagsawa kayo sa pagsabi ko na I'm gonna miss this. Because I'm gonna really miss this place. This is the view from a room which we never utilize much because Hubbee likes to close the curtain because he doesn't want any sunlight to wake him up. So it's always closed. I'm the one who's always opening it because I like to see the view.
Filling out my cup, coffee talk on the screen porch. So in love, now you're the one I'm losing sleep for. And I hope the wrong one slip right through your magic fingers. And I hope we find some way to fall in love like we were. Yeah, you're the only reason I was California dreaming in the first place. Seeing you in sundress seasons got me all up in my feelings.
Perfect. I need you by 3. I'm buying the things that I'm gonna bring to the Philippines. Gonna get this. I got it pala na.
In the way that it used to be. I've got the summertime blues, hoping that you might be still holding on to me. I still do think about you in the morning when I'm waking.
Okay, it's time again. It's the time of the year. Second time for this year. My hair is very black and it's too strong. So I'm gonna try this time Pixel P17 after I do this. This I like. It really does the job. You just need to find a perfect match to get the right color of your hair. Because look, it's so black, it's too strong. Let's figure it out how to make it formal again when I get a new job. For now, let's create our fantasy. Okay, first coating is done. I'm just gonna tidy it up. I can feel it. It's stinging now. It's getting there. It's now blonde. Success. Okay, first part done. That's the grueling 1-hour treatment with bleaching. Okay, so good. I just need to put now this color. It's very light ash blonde. Looks good, but sometimes doesn't match in reality from what you see in the box. Okay, let's do this. Another 30 minutes. Okay, I just applied the second color. It's very stingy and I guess I'm doing it right because when you do this in a salon, this is how it feels. Whew. 30 more minutes. I hope it turns out well. So if it does, then I know the perfect combination. And there is the final product. It's really light ash na pagka-blonde pa. Hindi ko alam kung masyado bang maaga binanlawan. So, nauusi ako. Sobra na kasing sakit kasi nahapde. And I think this gray part is from my old bleach. That's why that's a different color. But it looks like a highlight now. This will lighten up again, I'm sure. So, may pagka-ash naman. I like when my hair is lighter. Feel more of myself than the dark hair. Gives me a strong feature. This softens it, so I like it. Sorry for the mess. I'm still preparing all the stuff that I'm gonna bring home to the Philippines and what to put in the box that I'm gonna send. Anyways, I don't care if it's not perfect. At least it's not dark anymore. I'm gonna call Hubbee now. Get his very honest opinion. Okay? Good morning. Where's my light? See, good morning. Yeah. Still morning. Going to Quartier again. I'm gonna meet my friend. We're gonna have some lunch. This meetup was planned for a long time. Never happened last time. I was here and then went to Manila and then it didn't happen. So I want to make sure this time, for the last time, it will happen. I'm done with my lunch with my friend. I'm going to Starbucks here. I like their Starbucks here. I hope there's still some space for me. It's usually packed. Wait a minute. Saan nga ulit yun? sana meron pa. I love this Starbucks. It's like in the middle of a garden. Fortunately, no more seats inside. The view. That's the park. That's M-Sphere. Look, I can see Tribe. That's the place we want to visit. We used to walk around that park. It's a nice park. A lot of people run there. For you, the original one, the first one for M Quartier, and then before M-Sphere. The train station. Love it here. And I found my spot. Perfect. Waiting for my Bolt. So expensive with Grab, so I tried Bolt. I was planning to take the train and to commute, but it's raining and I'm wearing my light shoes. So it's a no. Hi, bye. M Quartier, one of my favorite malls. If I'm gonna be back, I hope I live in this area. Good morning. Good afternoon. So, okay, I did not start my day late. Woke up at 9, stayed at bed until 10:30, prepared food, had lunch, and then start doing the third layer for this hair. And then I started packing because I don't have time. Tomorrow I have a trip. Monday, it's the last day, and I have some schedules also. So whatever I can start today, I'll start today. So now I'm gonna go to Home Pro because I'm gonna buy water filter because I'm gonna bring our water purifier to the Philippines. So this is the water purifier that we've been using for ever since we moved here in this building, this condo. It's from Kaku, I don't know, from Mex. It's called Kaku. I think that's a product name. This is a company name. Surprisingly, it's the same brand of this kitchen, Mex. See? So it's all uniform. Didn't realize that. Okay, so I need to disassemble this. There's a screw here where you can change the water filter. There you go. Hubbee asked me to buy this screw because he already sent some of his tools to his friend. So I bought this in DIY the other day. It's nice to be a DIY, so many stuff. So I also bought some pentel pen because I'm gonna use that for this box to write the address and the name. I also saw this pill box because the one that I use, this one, I've been using this for years now. I lost the Thursday, so it's missing. I don't know where I put it or anyways. So I said I have to do it every week, at least this one every 2 weeks. So I like it. Did I take my medicine today? Okay. I also bought this double-sided tape on my list to buy in the Philippines because I want to put up some stuff in our place in BGC. So it's very cheap here, so I bought it. That's all I bought in DIY. So yeah, so I'm gonna unscrew that. I'm gonna figure out how to remove this. Hubbee did everything here, so it's just me. I have to do it on my own. This is also DIY. He did that when we moved it here, so I need to buy this wire according to him to bring to the Philippines. Do I need to buy or should I just bring this? Okay, let me just call him. So many stuff, so many things to do. I'll do it. Okay, Hubbee said I need to buy the wire. Alright, I'm gonna go to Home Pro now. Oh my god, just dawned on me. Just a few days left here. Oh my god. Have I maximized this trip? Tonight I have a dinner in Mackee. I'm gonna see another friend. Tomorrow I have a trip to Ampua. Monday we're going to a rooftop bar. The evening. Oh, Sunday I'm gonna meet two friends also. And then on Monday we're gonna go to a rooftop bar, and it is now going to be a celebration because last night my friend got engaged. What? We were just having lunch yesterday. We were just talking about it, and then she's now engaged. So happy for her. I really want to celebrate it. It's a milestone. Oh my god. Not gonna walk anymore here soon. It's just crazy to think about that idea where you used to walk here almost every day. Became your home, became your familiar place, and then one day it's not anymore. Oh my god, this hotel, I swear, we moved in, was being constructed. We're gonna leave now, still being constructed. That's crazy. I hope someday I get to see this hotel all functioning. I'm here now at Thailand Cultural Center. This is the next station after Ramanai, where our station is. Let me exit now. Alam ko hindi na nag-work yung card ko. Exit 4. Okay. This is going to Big C, where Home Pro is. There's a live music outside. Oh, there's really a live band. There's Big C and there's Home Pro. Sana mayroong water filter there. Hubbee called them and asked where's the Home Pro that has those water filters. Because last time we ordered it from the supplier directly and we don't have that contact number anymore. So Hubbee just sent a message to Home Pro and was told that they have stock here at Home Pro Ratchada. So I'm crossing my fingers. There is. Oh wow, there's another jug fair. This is going to be the third jug fair here in Bangkok, because the first one was close to our place. Then there was another one they built. Wow. I think they're just converting all the street market there. Oh wow, this place has changed. This doesn't look like this before. They renovated it. It's now called Big C Place. Wow. Before, this is full of street vendors. I think that's why they did the Jod Fair now. Makes sense. Okay, let's go inside. Aircon, aircon. Wow, this really looks different now. Major renovation. I just don't know when did they start renovating it. Cool. Maybe it's just recent because they still have this. Maybe it's just recent. Where's Home Pro? Oh, see? I think I'm right. They just started renovating. They don't have escalators yet. I need to use this to go to the second floor. This looks weird. This is like going to stock room. Second floor. Bye. Ta-da! Oh, wow. Now, where is Home Pro? Home Pro, Home Pro, Home Pro. Where is Home Pro? This is the food court. Smells good. No, Home Pro's not here. What the? Home Pro? There's no guard to ask. Oh, there. Pick up. Home Pro. Home Pro. I'll go straight there. Okay, thank you, thank you. It's so confusing. So he said just go straight. Okay, let's see if it's there. Ta-da-da! And I see a sign of Home Pro. There it is. They're really renovating it. Medyo magulo pa. Welcome to Home Pro. Ito na. I'm crossing my fingers. Okay, the guy said there is. So she's bringing me there. This is the one. Magkano na siyang yung 8 na.
เป็นตัวเครื่องใช่ไหม
Yes, yeah. Filter for that. This one,ใช่ไหม This 3.
ถูกต้อง
ใช่
1 2 3เป็นเครื่องอยู่แล้วใช่ไหม
Yes, just filter.
งั้นก็เป็นตัวฟิลเตอร์3ตัวนี้ต้องซื้อไปเปลี่ยน
Yes.
โอเค
Okay.
รับเลยไหมดึงออก
Okay.
โอเค
Easy.
ใช่ตัวต่อเหมือนกันหมดนะ
Okay.
หลังจากการเปลี่ยนไส้กรองแล้วคุณต้องเปิดน้ำทิ้งประมาณ 10 นาทีนะคะ
So run for 10 minutes. Okay.
โอเค
I think this one.
ความยาว3 เมตร
3 meters. Long. There. Okay.
อะไรอีก อะไรเพิ่มไหม
ไม่เข้าใจ
ไม่เข้าใจ
นิดหน่อย
ถามว่าเพิ่มอะไรเพิ่มเติมหรือเปล่า
No.
no โอเค
Good. สุดยอด I'll pay now.
ได้ไหมติดเหรอ อ๋อ
I'll go down now. That was a wow mali moment. It went straight to the parking lot. So I'll just go back where I entered so that I don't get confused. It was easy. I like it. Just exit from here. So I got the water filters now. It's expensive, huh? Yeah, babe. All good. Another wow mali moment. I'm going back because I need to buy hair color that I'm gonna bring to the Philippines because it's cheaper here with the brand that I buy. Since I'm here na, daming wow mali moments, ha. So when I bought the hair color in Big C in Ramanai, it's on sale. So I'm just gonna check if it's on sale here also. I hope so that I can just buy it from here. If not, I'm not gonna buy it because it's just the same price in the Philippines. Where are the hair colors? Here. It's not on sale. It's the one that I like. This one. $3.59. Wait. I need to check the video that I took if it's the same price. It's not on sale, so I'm not gonna buy it. Let me just go to Ramanite. Going down again. Part 2. Okay, I'm done here. I'm gonna go back home. Let's walk again. Bye, Big C. Bye. So many memories. Oh my God, son, you're not playing today. You're really up there. Let's hurry up to get to the train station. It's to the trees. There are shades. The train station is almost there. Let's go. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Wala na yung banda. I got some good deals at Watson, so I bought it there. Just gonna buy some snacks. So I'm a little hungry now. They have a donkey. Oh,
Meet your new friend. Are you ready to make it faster?
so the parking fee here is 40 baht. Very quiet here. This is the famous floating market. Just passed by or we stopped there? First stop, first temple. What is that? It's a house? Wow, save the best for last.